I'd like to inform the House that all road users, vehicle owners, passengers and permit holders of public services vehicles are governed by the Land Transport Act 1998 and its corresponding regulations under the Land Transport Regulations 2000. With regard to the question, I'd like to advise the Honourable Member that effective 1st January 2018, the LTA ceased issuing rural service licenses, RSLs, following amendments to the Land Transport Public Service Vehicle Regulation. Regulation 18A, Sub-Regulation 6D specifies that an RSL issued before this date is deemed either a minibus permit or road permit for carrier licenses, depending on the vehicle's construction. Since then, the LTA has been converting valid RSLs issued prior to 1st Jan 2018 into either minibus license or carrier licenses based on the vehicle's type. To date, a total of 460 RSL permits have been converted, with this process continuing during annual registration or renewals for those RSA holders who have not yet completed the conversion. I'd like to reassure the honourable members that the LTA is diligently processing the conversion of all RSLs into other minibus licenses, LM or carrier licenses, LC, and is committed to facilitating this transition. And all permit holders are encouraged to visit any LTA branch to complete the conversion and obtain the necessary number plates.